atongoria a UDA mwhu-ini wa Kenya Kwanza magiire na giikaro na andiki a mohoro magikumithia mirurungano guku bururi-ini haria maugiite ni gutwara bururi hathara na ningi kunyagia uthii wa nambere kana ukorwo makinyihia uthii wa nambere ta uria Wambui wa Njau aratariria. Makireria andiki a mohoro Atogoria a Kenya Uda kiria kirithi wa moho wa Kenya Kwanza Atogoria aya ni makumithitie mirurungano iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere guku bururi-ini kiria maugiite ni weyendi wa mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga.
Understand, and he must remember that William Ruto did not take up arms, did not resort to violence, did not go to the streets.
Mwandiki mukaru wa kiama giki Cleophas Malala augite matigwikira gukorwo na mirurungano ingi kuona ati ni guthararia thayu wa muingi ningi ni guthukia uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
And therefore tunasema kwamba tunakashifu vilivyo na tunasema hatutazidi kuruhusu mambo haya iendelee. Tumekuwa tolerance, tumeweza ongea.
Muikareri gite wa kiama giki Cecily Mbarire aliowe governor wa county ya Embu onake ni akomithitie uhoro uyu akiuga ati a Kenya hindi ya mirurungano ni marafurirwo indo ciao angi marate mioyo yao na ningi bururi urathi hathara wa ciringi bilioni 3. Mbarire ni oretie mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro etikire ni ahotirwo githurano-ini
on the heinous atrocities observed during maandamano yesterday, the 12th of July 2023. UDA party condemns in the strongest terms possible their abhorrent acts of violence and the destruction of property.
Nake mutongoria wa arengi kimanishungwa ni anyitite baru merio ino na haria augite ni makung'ethanira na Raila Odinga.
We have vindicated that Mr. Odinga is living true to his character and name as the Lord of Violence and the Master of Anarchy in this country. So we wish to state that what we have seen and what has been christened as protests, picketing and demonstrations over the cost of living have nothing to do with peaceful protests.
Mobuge ya thayo mishini ya Atogoria aya ario Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka na Martha Karua niguo kumenya thina uriha.
Turathi mundu gwitwo Raila Odinga, turathi kuria muthaiga kwi mundu gwitwo mundu wa kuria Karen kwa mundu gwitwo Martha na Kalonzo onao haria maraigwo mahinyitwo ni uhoro to discuss to na tugathie na thayo uti mundu akorwo kuita mahiga uti mundu gathie na mavanga kana ki mahuru tucoke tukithie tuhe president information hiyo. We are not going to allow this, and this government is going to stand very still, and we are going to deal with you, Mr. Odinga. Hakuna mtu akona mtoto kwa mgongo hapa.
Hadoine hamuthingi TV jitikaga Wambui wa Njau.